Here is a SDU campus. In this video I will show you Friday bar of SDU campus. Every Friday students are very enjoying this Friday bar. Now going morning 11 o'clock, and I will provide you information night 7 o'clock related on Friday bar. Night we are visiting Friday bar in Southern Denmark University. This is the main gate, main entrance, and this is the boy of the student. He clicked the key and then open the door. I am very happy after coming this place. And here dance का बैंक ATM है नहीं, यहाँ पे कहीं dance का बैंक यहाँ पर वो एक्सप्रेसो कॉफी शॉप तो बंद हो गई है क्या?
वो ये गार्मेंट्स खुल गया है, ये यहाँ पे वो दूसरा था ना अपना
एक्सप्रेसो कॉफी शॉप था यहाँ पे. हाय, empty place, but I will show you number of people enjoying in this building. And he is a Naeem from Pakistan. I am Indian, he is Pakistan. I love this place यार. यहाँ पर IT सेल है, सब मालूम मुझे. ये कैंटीन, दो कैंटीन है यहाँ पर, ये एक और एक थोड़ा आगे. ये छोटी कैंटीन है. और तू जा यार, तू ब्लैक डॉग मैन पिए. यहाँ बैठे रहे मैं वो टेबल पे. हाँ, मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम ये मिलने के बाद
ये वहीं से लेकर आता था ना अपना.
मैं वहाँ से ही लेके आता था पहले से, बट बाद एंटर करो और यहाँ से नीचे जाओ. पूरा याद है मुझे. ये तो नंगा नाच चल रहा है यहाँ पे. ये कैमरा चल रहा है.
चालू कर ले.
Friday bar. Friday bar. से वो डायलॉग में से मुझे सूरज बन जाते हैं.
We were fingering it here on the dance floor.
चालू तो होने दे बाबा. Is coming here. Let's go. Pick live.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
But like
yeah.
he don't
You must
show
be
he's a
satisfied,
YouTuber,
yeah.
he's working and like
Yeah, he's saving all his money.
money.
That's true.
And
I
then he
agree.
say like, oh nah.
And what's the channel?
My channel name is Research Rocks and Research Traveler.
See how
channel.
he advertise his channel, but he don't want to say like, okay, I can buy this one. See,
Yeah, that's
I
true.
just buy this such kind of scooter only. That's
Oh,
it.
don't lie, don't
That's
lie,
it.
come on.
Yeah, like
This is
guy,
a reality,
We
man.
can keep like 2 of us, like assistants.
yeah.
Assistant?
Yes, assistant. We can work for you. And then,
Really?
No, yeah, you can pay
Hire
us for
us, please.
1 year, both of us, and we can like earn for you
awesome,
like a
man.
lot of
It's
money.
cool.
But like
Why? It's really cool. If you can keep at least, you know, it's already good. if you
right
can
now
keep up
he's
yourself.
earning from 3 hands.
Yeah.
3 hands. Hey.
Where are you going?
Going home.
Fine.
Introvert.
Introvert. You.
Yes, we
What the fuck? Since when?
since now. What about you guys? Are you having a party? Is it a party?
So now we are traveling using this bus to the city center. But bus are open the door here.
No, it's pretty good and everything. Want to start. Like right now.
They shut down.